checklist.
A checklist? What is a checklist?
A checklist is a document which contains items to be checked or reviewed for maintenance. For example, here, dismantling a pump, checking electrical conduit. And also it shows you the correct order to do all the tasks.
Oh, I see.
Because as I mentioned in the definition of a checklist, it helps you remember all the parts of the task that need to be done. It is also useful in shift handover.
Hold on, let me see. So, how is it useful in shift handovers?
I will tell you. When you change shifts, it's important for the incoming shift to know how much work was done during your shift. So they take it from there, and it will make things easier for them.
Oh, I see. And what does the checklist consist of? I mean, does it have standard parts?
Yes, it has standard parts. For every checklist, it must indicate the type of the tasks, the location, and the duration of the whole task.
I don't think I get you here. Can you give me some examples from the checklist that we have?
I think it will make things easier. Look here, for example, we have the task. What is the task? The task is shaft alignment on MOV 452. And it also shows the location, APP gas treatment plant. We have 17 steps in this checklist. We can divide them into subsections to make the task easier. If you look carefully, you will notice that the steps 1 to 5 make up the preparation phase of the task. Then from steps 6 to 14 is the actual physical work. And finally, from step 15 to 17, they are the wrapping up phase of the task. You see?
Wait, hold on. Ah, I see now. So, for example, let me guess. From part 6 to 14 is the actual task. It is where the actual physical work is taking place. For example, from dismantling the shaft until the checking that all the parts are functional. Am I right?
Yes, excellent. And as I said, the last 3 steps, they are the wrapping up phase and consist of housekeeping until signing the remaining paperwork such as permit to work.
I see now.
Signing off the permit to work is a very important step as it guarantees the safety of the whole task, and so is housekeeping. It is also essential.
Well, I think that now I know why we need a checklist for every job. Thanks very much. That's been really helpful.
You are welcome, Nasser. It's always been my pleasure to help you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.